How to make money using AI tools? Welcome back, everyone. I'm here, and in today's video, we're diving deep into how to leverage the power of AI to start making money. With AI tools becoming more accessible than ever, the potential to generate income is immense. And in this video, we'll be exploring several methods. So get ready to discover the exciting ways you can start earning with AI, freelance AI services. First up, let's talk about freelance services. If you have a skill set related to AI, you can offer your services to businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations. Some examples include AI-based content creation, such as writing articles or creating social media posts and ads using AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard, develop chatbots for businesses to automate customer service, or create data analysis tools using AI. The beauty of this approach is that you don't necessarily need to be an expert coder. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have a plethora of opportunities for AI-related tasks. So if you have any interest or experience in AI, consider offering your skills as a freelance service. Create and sell AI-powered products. Another avenue to explore is creating and selling AI-powered products. With AI, you can develop innovative solutions that enhance people's lives or streamline business processes. For example, you could create an AI app that helps with everyday tasks like budgeting or time management. Think about it. You could develop a budgeting app that uses AI to analyze a user's spending habits and provide personalized recommendations, or create a time management app that utilizes AI to help users prioritize tasks and schedule their day more efficiently. Furthermore, you can venture into AI-generated art or music, which you can sell as NFTs or digital assets. Tools like Artbreeder and Aiva allow you to create stunning artwork and music using AI. Once you've created these digital assets, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, NFT marketplaces, or even create your own store. The possibilities are vast. Affiliate marketing using AI. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money with AI. By promoting other companies, products, or services and earning a commission on sales, you can leverage AI-powered tools like Jasper or Copy AI to generate high-quality content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. This could involve writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or posting on social media. For example, imagine creating a blog post that reviews a particular product or service. You can use AI writing tools to generate the content, ensuring it's well-written and optimized for search engines. Then by including affiliate links within the content, you can earn commissions on any sales generated through your unique affiliate link. AI content creation for YouTube and blogs. AI content creation is another exciting opportunity. As AI technology advances, it has become easier than ever to create high-quality content. With AI-driven tools, you can streamline the content creation process and produce engaging content for various platforms. Whether it's for YouTube or your blog, AI tools can significantly speed up the process. On YouTube, you can use AI to generate video scripts and even automate parts of the editing process. Tools like Pictory and Lumen 5 can help you create videos faster, allowing you to publish more content and grow your channel. Similarly, for blogs, AI writing tools like WriteSonic or Ritter can help you produce SEO-optimized articles in minutes. Invest in AI stocks and crypto. If you prefer a more passive income approach, consider investing in AI stocks or cryptocurrency. Many companies are investing heavily in AI research and development, and their stock prices often reflect this growth. For example, companies like NVIDIA, Tesla, and Google are at the forefront of AI innovation. By purchasing shares of these companies through apps like Robinhood or eTrade, you can benefit from their success in the AI space. Additionally, investing in an AI-focused cryptocurrencies like Singularity and Fetch, AI can provide exposure to the exciting world of AI-powered blockchain solutions. However, it's essential to do thorough research and understand the risks involved in any investment before committing your funds. AI-powered dropshipping. Another promising avenue is AI-powered dropshipping. This innovative approach combines the convenience of dropshipping with the power of AI by leveraging AI-driven tools like Oberlo. You can automate product sourcing and fulfillment, allowing you to scale your business more efficiently. AI chatbots can also be integrated to handle customer service inquiries, providing instant support and resolving issues promptly. Additionally, AI-driven marketing tools can help you optimize your ads and sales copy, ensuring you reach the right audience and maximize your return on investment. AI training and consulting. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer training and consulting services to individuals or businesses looking to upskill or integrate AI into their operations. This could involve creating online courses about using AI tools, or offering one-on-one consultations to help businesses implement AI solutions. The demand for AI education is growing rapidly, and by sharing your knowledge and skills, you can play a vital role in helping others harness the power of AI. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are great for hosting your courses, while sites like Clarity FM can help you establish a presence for your consulting services. AI personal assistant services. Finally, consider offering AI-powered personal assistant services. With tools like Zapier, AI chatbots, and Google Assistant, you can help clients automate various aspects of their personal or professional lives. This could include scheduling appointments, managing emails, or even helping with project management. By leveraging AI, you can offer efficient and reliable assistance that can save your clients valuable time. Wrapping it up, there you have it. From freelance services to investments, we've explored numerous ways to make money with AI. Now it's time to take action. Choose the method that aligns best with your skills and interests, and start your AI journey today. Remember, staying updated with the latest AI trends and technologies will be key to your success. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and embrace the exciting world of AI-driven opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI and its potential for generating income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.